Have you ever faced a moment in your life where one decision could change everything? One path could lead to success while the other could take you somewhere unimaginable. Today I am going to share with you a story so unexpected, so life changing. You will not believe how one choice altered everything. This story is not just about me or someone I know, it's about the power of decision and how the smallest choices can have the biggest consequences. Picture this: a 24-year-old who felt stuck, overwhelmed, and completely lost in life. And then one single moment, one single decision turned everything around. This decision did not just change one life, it created a ripple effect that reached millions. Stick around until the end because their twist you will not see coming. Meet Alex. They were like many of us, working a dead-end job, struggling to make ends meet, and questioning every decision that had ever made. Life felt like it was closing in, but then one day Alex received a letter, not an email, not a text, and an actual handwritten letter. It was an invitation to an event, something called the turning point, the catch. It was across the country and Alex had no money, no time and absolutely no idea what it was about. The letter simply read, "If you want to change your life, be there." Alex wrestled with the decision. Should they spend their last bit of saving on a bus ticket to an event they knew nothing about? Should they stay in their comfort zone or take a risk that could lead to who knows what? Comment below. What would you do if you were Alex? Would you take the leap or play it safe? Finally, with a mix of fear and hope, Alex made the decision they were going. Little did they know this choice would be the turning point in their entire life. The journey was not easy. Alex faced delays, doubts, and even moments when they thought about turning back. But something kept pushing them forward, an inner voice that said, "You are meant for more." When they finally arrived, what they found was beyond anything they could have imagined. The event was not just a seminar, it was an experience. Alex met people from all walks of life who shared their own struggle and triumphs. They learned that fear and failure were not the end, but the beginning. One speaker said something that stuck with Alex forever. Your life can change in an instant, but only if you are willing to make the leap. But the real turning point was not just the event itself, it was what happened afterward. Alex walking out of the event energized and hopeful. When they noticed a small folded piece of paper on the ground, picking it up, they realized it's a note addressed to them. As Alex unfolded the note, their heart raced. It was a message from someone they had met briefly during the event, a stranger who had shared their story of overcoming impossible odds. The note read, "You inspired me to take my own leap. Let's do this together." This stranger, who had been at their lowest point, became Alex's business partner. Together, they started a project that not only changed their life but impacted thousands around the world. Looking back, Alex realized that none of this would have happened if they had not made that one decision. The decision to step out of their comfort zone, to embrace uncertainty, and to trust that they were capable of more. So, no, I ask you, what decision are you hesitating to make? What opportunity are you too afraid to take? Remember, your life can change is an instant, but only if you choose to take that leap. Share your story in the comment below. What's the decision you have been putting off? Let's start the conversation, because who knows, you might inspire someone else to changing their life. Subscribe for more story that inspire or challenge you. Like, share, and comment to be the part of our journey.